Hi friends, welcome everyone. This is a very important adjustment. For 15 marks, you will definitely calculate out 15 marks you will calculate the computation of net GST payable. So in the 15 marks, the calculation of net GST payable is done with two parts. One is output tax payable, that is sales. After that you should do input tax credit purchases. You have to subtract input tax credit from the output tax payable, so you will get net GST payable. This is 15 marks question. So one of the most important adjustment here is uh, raw material tea purchased from Australia costing 8 lakh. Friends, they can ask this type of adjustment related question. For example, raw material tea purchased from Australia costing 8 lakh. So total amount is 8 lakh 80,000. GST rate is 18%. When in the question they have given including BCD, that is basic custom duty, including BCD at 10% and excluding IGST if they have given. Note, with respect to question, when they are made purchases or imports, the transaction is from one country to another, that is IGST. So the solution is input tax credit heading purchases. So particulars, put the question raw material tea purchased from Australia. Since as I said in the note, it is one country to another country, the transaction will be part of IGST. So SGST and CGST is nil here. So IGST. So to calculate IGST, so the formula is very simple. Cost plus, open the bracket, cost into BCD rate, close the bracket, close the square bracket, into GST rate. This is the simple formula. Right? Guys, the formula is quite simple here. Cost plus cost into BCD rate into GST rate. So the cost is 8 lakh. So the cost is 8 lakh into BCD rate is 10% given in the problem. Here it is 10% given in the problem, that is BCD rate. After that you should do GST rate. If you substitute 8 lakh plus 80,000 is, we will get 8 lakh 80,000, do 18%, you will get 1 lakh 58,400. If you just enter here, it's over. Guys, this is a very important adjustment which will be coming in 15 marks. So please observe carefully. The question will be of this type, including BCD and excluding IGST. The 15 marks question, computation of net GST payable. In that, when you are doing input tax credit, you have to do this adjustment. Thank you guys.